Hello. Welcome to Kerjanya channel. In this video we will learn more about Kubernetes. The first question is, what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is actually an open source application for automation deployment purposes. Kubernetes is also used to automate the scaling of existing systems in production, as well as container-based application management. So, if we use Docker to create containers, then for the process of automation deployment, scaling, and other management we use Kubernetes. There are many automation deployment applications besides Kubernetes, but Kubernetes is the most popular one today. Many large companies are using Kubernetes, including startups that have developed. So you need to study it as a portfolio if you want to be part of that company. The history of Kubernetes begins with the Borg, which was created by Google engineers. Borg later changed its name to Omega. The Borg or Omega system is used to assist developers and infrastructure engineers in handling thousands of servers used by Google. In 2014 Google introduced Kubernetes, an open source from its experience building Borg, Omega, and other internal systems. Kubernetes was redesigned using the Golang programming language. The simple Kubernetes workflow is shown in this figure. Starting from a user who may be a developer, or infrastructure engineer, or DevOps, create a configuration file, where the configuration file defines the application to be deployed, container image, how many to deploy, how much memory to use, limits for scaling requirements, etc. The configuration file can be either JSON or YML. Then it will be sent to the Kubernetes master to manage the Kubernetes workers. Workers can consist of many servers, maybe even thousands. The workers will follow the Kubernetes master command based on the configuration file that has been created. That is the basic knowledge you must know about Kubernetes. On the next videos, you will be learn deep into Kubernetes master and workers. See you later, and goodbye.